So what I'm testing right now is the new charging circuit, is the TP5100, and what I'm trying to test right now is like switching from battery to the input, the charger. So what will happen is that when the battery is fully charged, the Raspberry Pi will be powered by the battery bank or the input, and when it's charging, the power will be driven from this battery. So, and here Raspberry Pi is running. What I'm trying to see is if there is any gap when the switching is happening. So right now and Raspberry Pi is still working here, and the battery is charging here. So we can also take the voltage of the output to see if it's from battery or it's from the power supply. Here you can see the battery voltage is the output is 4.58. It's definitely the input power from the battery bank, because the battery voltage of a lithium ion won't be going above 4.2 volt or 4.4 volt. So let's see when we remove the power, where the battery voltage is. So I removed it. Right now you can see the battery voltage is 3.9 volt and the Pi is still working. So that means the power circuitry from switching from the input to battery and in between it's working. Yeah, so that's a short update.